Hello and welcome to my channel, that is Virat's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a simple recipe, dal khichdi. The recipe ingredients what I have taken, I'll tell you. I have taken 1 bowl of rice. This is moong dal, half cup, jeera. This is mori, red chili powder. This is whole garam masala, turmeric, salt. This is jeera and coriander powder, sugar, curry leaves, coriander leaves, green chili, garlic, ginger chopped, 1 bay leaf, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped. And I have taken water. Water we are supposed to use as per requirement. Let's start with the recipe today. So firstly we are supposed to cook the rice and dal. For that this dal and rice should be washed properly. After washing, I am going to put it in the cooker. Along with this rice and dal, I'll be putting little bit of turmeric, around 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon salt. So let's do that. So I have cooked the rice and dal properly. We'll give the tadka now. In a pan, I will heat up some oil. You can use desi ghee as well. It tastes good. Around 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Let it heat. The oil is heated. Now I'll be adding the curry leaves. Along with it, I'll add the bay leaf. I will add the green chili and ginger and garlic. Let it cook well. I have added the tomatoes and the onions. I'll saute it well and cook it well. Properly we need to cook it on a medium flame. Onion and the tomatoes are cooked well. Now I will be adding the masalas. I'm adding 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger, coriander and jeera powder, wholesome garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. I will saute the masalas well now. Let the masala cook well. Now I will be adding the cooked rice and dal preparation. We'll add the preparation now and mix well. We'll saute well and we'll be putting little bit of water as per requirement and let it cook. We'll add the salt as per your taste. I have taken 1 tablespoon salt. I'll add 1 tablespoon sugar as well. I'll put a little bit of water and let it cook. As per your requirement, you can add the water and make the rice. And adding the coriander leaves. Mix it well. I'll keep a lid and cook. I have kept it on low flame. We will cook this for around 5 minutes or until a good boil comes. There is a small tip: whenever we are bringing lots of coriander from market, we can keep this coriander into a paper this way. Properly wrapped in a newspaper, and we are going to keep this into a plastic. This prevents the coriander to dry, and we can use it for longer time. A good boil has come. Our dal khichdi is ready. We will serve it now. Our dal khichdi is ready. So our dal khichdi is ready. It's time to taste it. It's a little hot. Yummy. It's perfectly spicy. Obviously, if you want spicy, you can make it spicy. I have added sugar also, but then too it's spicy. I like spicy food. That's the reason I have added more chili powder and green chilies. And the taste is very nice. Do try this at your home and let me know how was your experience. So I'll meet you very soon with the next recipe, with a new ideas of recipes. I mean, new technique, what I use, little bit inventions into my recipes. I do keep doing it. So for today I am taking your leave, and I'll meet you soon. Till then, hashtag treat yourself, love yourself. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.